Hey guys, it's Carter, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks to buy during this stock market crash. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do because we are nearing 21,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. So thank you to each and every single one of you guys. So guys, what on earth has been going on with the market right now? Well, looking at the market, you'll notice we've just seen this thing just absolutely get obliterated. Not to mention the Fed increased some more interest rates, which is expected to slow down car sales, home sales. It's going to be expensive to do any refinancing. If you're somebody that is planning on going to college for a student loan, expect that to be pretty high for the interest rates. So we've just seen so much speculation, and they're doing that to kind of throw some water, right? Cool down on inflation, because inflation has been very, very high. So starting off with stock number one. Stock number one is ticker symbol HD, also known as the Home Depot. The reason I love this one so much is because this one here is a dividend powerhouse. On top of that, this company does very, very well in good times, bad times, because people, one, always need home improvement. At the end of the day, yes, during times of recession, people are not going to be doing remodels, but they're going to have to continue to fix things that break, like plumbing, HVAC, electrical. And Home Depot always does very, very well. They brought in about $43.7 billion, which is so much money. On top of that, they offer a dividend of $1.90, which is awesome. Okay. That is the first one. Now, the second stock that is an absolute powerhouse is ticker symbol WM, also known as Waste Management. Waste Management has actually outperformed the market this year, which is fantastic. On top of that, what this company does is they do anything from trash removal and sewer. Do you think that's slowing down? Absolutely not. We've seen great growth out of this. We've seen a dividend of 65 cents a quarter. Past earnings beat expectation, brought in about almost, $5.03 billion, which is so much money. With this one here, you'll get great growth, so you'll get appreciation plus dividend. And this one here, during times of bull markets, it's not going to move as much, but times of recession, it's still going to be producing that cash flow, still appreciating. It just does very, very, very well. Now, the last and final stock here is ticker symbol KO. The one and only Coca-Cola. I think we can all say this one here is the definition of a value company, right? People always will continue to buy Coca-Cola, whether it's a recession or, it's the best economy. You'll notice we had that beautiful upward trend. This one here, very similar to Waste Management, outperforming that, index there. A dividend of 44 cents. This one here, this is a dividend king. So been paying a dividend for more than 50 years. Past earnings brought in $11 billion, which is so much money, beating expectations. You'll notice we've seen some sell-off just due to the kind of market conditions we're in right now. There's a lot of speculation in the market, which causes a whole bunch of companies to sell off. And that is why we've seen sell-off from virtually all these stocks, is because of speculation. Not that the company's doing bad, it's just sell-off, right? There's just natural sell-off when people get scared, and that's kind of what we've seen. But guys, these are the top 3 stocks that always do well, right? These are the most recession-proof stocks there are. But like always, I always think it's smart, right, to dabble in these, but overall continue to invest in the S&P 500, right? The S&P 500, top 500 companies, does very, very well. And on top of the SPY, you'll notice here that we've seen natural sell-off, right, because it's the S&P 500 ETF. So you're going to be buying this stock at an absolute bargain. And if we go back, right, and we look at the recessions all the way back until the 1950s, you'll notice 1 year after the recession, you're up on your money every single time but one. And I think this represents just a solid opportunity to continue that process of investing. And if you're somebody that hasn't started, now is the best chance, because it's like buying this stock all the way back, right, in 2021. So about a year ago, which is awesome. This is the top 3 stocks, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.